Hello and welcome to a new lesson forming past continuous tense with the infinitive to work. We have affirmative form of sentence, then negative, interrogative, and with question words. The affirmative form, he was working. Its negative is he was not working. Interrogative form is was he working, and with question words, why was he working? Likewise, she was working. She was not working. Was she working? Where was she working? It was working. It was not working. Was it working? How was it working? Tom was working. Tom was not working. Was Tom working? Where was Tom working? I was working. I was not working. Was I working? Why was I working? We were working. We were not working. Were we working? How were we working? They were working. They were not working. Were they working? Why were they working? You were working. You were not working. Were you working? How were you working? And with plural noun, men were working. Men were not working. Were men working? Why were men working? So these are the structure of past continuous tense in all its four forms, like affirmative, negative, interrogative, and with question words. You can replace the infinitive to work with any other verbs of your choice, and you can make as many sentences in the past continuous tense as possible. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.